Jai Sriman.
Then everybody started searching for Yajnapasu, but nowhere they could find. Finally, Purohita comes to Ambarisha and says, "Ho Ambarisha, ho Raja, the Yajnapasu is not seen anywhere. If we cannot find this, there is going to be a big dosham which will really torture you. That is why you go ahead and start searching for either Yajnapasu. If you don't find that, at least by trading thousands of cows, you should be getting at least one human being." Like that, when Purohita says to Ambarisha, Ambarisha have taken thousands of cows and started searching for a human being. On his way, Ambarisha came across a ashramam called Ruchika Ashramam. He went inside, had darshanam of Ruchika Maharshi, and told everything to Ruchika Maharshi what exactly happened. And Ambarisha asks, "Oh Ruchika Maharshi, can you please give me your son? I will give you 100,000 cows in return." For which Ruchika Maharshi says, "Oh Ambarisha, I do not want to give my eldest son because I like him." Then right next to Ruchika Maharshi, his wife also is there. She says to Ambarisha, "Oh Raja, I do not want to give my youngest son because I like him." Then the middle son, who comes forward to Ambarisha and started saying like this, middle son, who is named after Sunassepa, he comes forward and says to Ambarisha, "Oh Raja, because my parents does not want to give their eldest and youngest, I am only the one who left, so I am willing to go with you." When Sunassepa said like that, Ambarisha has taken him, and on their chariot they are getting back to their kingdom. On their way back, afternoon, sometime in the noon, Ambarisha wanted to take some rest. So they stopped their Radham chariot at a place called Pushkara Tirtham, where Vishwamitra is also there doing his tapasya. Ambarisha stopped his chariot. He is now taking rest. Sunassepa realized that Vishwamitra is there in the same place. So Sunassepa approached Vishwamitra Maharshi and asking now, "Tratum arhasi mam saumya dharmena munipungava." "Oh Vishwamitra Maharshi, please save me. Please protect me. Please bless me with long life. Ambarisha is taking me to utilize for his yajna. At the same time, Ambarisha's yajna also should be fulfilled. There should not be any obstruction in his yajna." This is how Sunassepa presents his request to Vishwamitra Maharshi. Then instantaneously Vishwamitra called on his sons. While meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us now do Sri Rama Nama Smarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Shriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana.